Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I'll be showing you how you can create the hard disk partition in your Windows computer. So before beginning, let me make you clear that in this video tutorial, I'll be dividing in two sections. The first will be the system-based hard disk partitioning, and the second base will be the using the third-party hard disk partitioning softwares. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So in the first method, what you need to do is you just need to press the Windows and S button, that is the search button. So in the search, you can see you can type computer management. You need to type the computer management. You need to type for the computer management. Once you get the computer management, just click on it. Now on this page, what you need to do is here you can see a disk management written. Just click on it. So here you can see all the hard disk partitions and available storage displayed on this page. So suppose you want to create more hard disk partitioning in your computer. So what you need to do is, suppose say you want to make one more new hard disk partition from your C drive. So just right click it. So here you can see option shrink volume. Just tap on it. So here your pop-up message is being displayed. Just wait for a few minutes until the final results displayed. So you can see here the space and the available size that you can shrink is also allowed and given. So you can see here the total size before shrink in the MB, you can see this much, and now size of available shrink in MB, you can see this much. So before putting an exact value, you need to know one thing. So let me show you in the notepad. 1024 megabytes equals 1 gigabytes. So you might be seeing in the above here, so there is a size of 476.52 GB. So you can multiply this 1024 using the 476 GB. So you will get the exact value just like this, as you can see here. So remember this, you need to know this one. If you are using this system-based hard disk partitioning system, then you need to know that 1024 MB equals to 1 GB. Otherwise, suppose you want the exact that much of amount in your new hard disk partitioning, then it will be difficult for you to get the exact value. So if you don't mind of using any values, then you can put any value depending upon your needs, but you will not be exactly known how much GB you are being creating for new hard disk partitioning. So now you can see, say I'll be keeping this much of partition as it is being suggested. So what I need to do is you need to click on the string, wait for a few seconds until the new hard disk partitioning is created. So now you can see that finally it's been created. Here you can see the 82.39 GB. So this hard disk you cannot use right now. So what you need to do in order to use it, just right click on this new created hard disk partition. So tap on this new simple volume, click next, click next, click next, click next, and click on finish. Wait for a few seconds. So finally your new hard disk is ready to use. So suppose you have already created but unfortunately you want to reverse it back or move it back to the earlier hard disk, then what you need to do is just right click on that hard disk and click on the delete volume, click yes. Now it becomes unallocated, that is unused. So now you click on the C drive from where you have partitioned this newly created partitions. Just right click on this and you can click on this extend volume. Just click next. Now you can see here, select it, click next, click finish. So it moved back to your earlier hard disk drive. So in this way you can do a hard disk partitioning and you can move it back to the original hard drive if you don't feel like separating anymore. So in this way, using the system hard disk partitioning system, you can do hard disk partitions in your Windows PC. Now in the second method, before proceeding, you need to go and open a web browser and go to this website, the partitionwidget.com. I will highly suggest you to use this mini tool because it is very useful for the beginners too, who are very new to this kind of hard disk partitioning. So use this tool and you can get a free versions too here by going to this download options and you can download a free version. I will highly recommend you to use this software rather than using out other third-party hard disk partitioning software. So you go to this website. I'll be providing this website in the video descriptions too, so you can click from there too and visit this website and you download this free edition first, and if you like the free edition you want more advanced features, then you can go and purchase the pro editions or the server editions depending upon your needs. So you download and install it. So once you install it, just open this folder. So here you can see the software's user interface. So it will display all the hard disk partitions that is available right now in your Windows computer. So in the left side you can see various options like Micro OS, copy, partition widgets, copy disk widgets, with this delete all partitions, and so and so. Suppose say now like before I wanna do partitions or split this C drive, so just select it. Now you can see a lot more options like move and resize partitions, extend partitions, merge partition, and split partitions. So here let me clear you. Move or resize partition is like before that you want to move and resize. So what you need to do is after selecting your hard disks which you want to partitions, after selecting this you can click on the move and resize, so they will display you. So what you need to do to make a partition, you can just drag and drop, move and resize. But I will highly recommend you to use this like split. Split is far better than move and resize, since split will let you directly create a new partition hard disk and which do not need to be formatted like before. So if you choose this option, say I will go back again, if you choose this move and resize option, then it will also create exactly like the new hard disk partitions, but you need to format it again. So there is double work in this option. So I will highly recommend it to use in the split options, which will directly create new hard disk partitions in a single manner. So after choosing it, so say I want to choose this much of space, say I'll be dividing this much, and once you've done, click OK. Voila, created a new hard disk. So say you don't want this partition anymore and you want to move these partitions to the C drive again. So what you need to do is just right click this option, and you can see here delete. Just delete it. Now it becomes like unused like before. Now what you need to do is click on the right click on the C drive again. So here you can see options, return, move or resize, or you can do extensions. I would highly recommend to move and resize here since it's much easier to extend it again. So just move and just drag it back, and the unallocated space will be moved back to your C drive which you just have created right now. So in this way you can do a partitioning of hard disk too using the third-party software. So if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.